Dear 12th standard students, in exercise number 9.7, first second subdivision 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x by cos power 6 dx. I am going to start my substitution method. Let t is equal to tan x. Let t is equal to tan x. If you differentiate this, dt by dx becomes secant square x. If you cross multiply this, you will be getting dt is equal to secant square x dx. Secant square x dx. Changing the limits, my x limit is 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. This is the value of x. This is the value of x. I want to change this to t. That is tan x. Tan x. My tan 0 is 0. Then tan x. T is tan x. Tan pi by 2. Tan 90 is infinity. I am going to substitute here. Before substituting, just a small simplification. 0 to pi by 2 e power 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x cos power 6 மேல எடுத்துட்டு வந்தற secant power 6x dx. இத மேல ரைஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். cos power 6 மேல ஏத்துனீங்கனா 1 by cos is secant. அத கொஞ்சம் simplify பண்ணிட்டு then we will start substituting. Integration 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x secant power 6 can be written as secant square x into secant power 4x dx. Am I right? Secant square x into secant power 4. இந்த மாதிரி பிரிச்சுக்கிறேன் நான். Again 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x. The secant power 4 can be written as secant square x whole square. In the secant square x அப்படியே இருக்கட்டும். Secant square x dx. Next is 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x. What is secant square x? 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta into secant square x dx. ஒரு சின்ன simplification இதில் இருந்து அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம substitution method இப்போ நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிடலாம். substitution method. இப்போ integration 0 is again 0. Pi by 2 becomes to infinity. E power minus tan x becomes t. 1 plus t square whole square. Secant square x dx becomes dt. Right? So integration 0 to infinity e power minus t. What is the a plus b whole square formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square formula. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square into dt. You just multiply by e power t. 0 to infinity e power minus t plus 2 times e power minus t into t square. Then e power minus t into t power 4 dt. Okay. இது சின்ன லிமிட்ஸ் இன்டெக்ரல்ஸ் பிரிச்சு கொடுத்துறேன் நான். இன்டெகிரேஷன் 0 to infinity e power minus t dt. This is a separate sum plus integration again 0 to infinity 2 tables வெளியில எடுத்துருங்க. t square e power minus t dt. Again this one integration t power 4 e power minus t dt. Integration 0 to infinity. Actually this sum matches with the gamma integral. இது மட்டும் தான் தனி sum. e power minus t integrate பண்ணனா வரும் நமக்கு. You will be getting e power minus t by minus 1 0 to infinity plus 2 times. What is the formula here? n is 2. Power is n. E power minus ax. a is 1, a is 1. Apply this formula, n factorial by, about 2 factorial by a power means 1 power, n plus 1 is 2 plus 1. Then again here n is 4, again a is 1, again use this formula, 4 factorial by 1 power 4 plus 1, n plus 1, 4 plus 1. Upper limit minus lower limit, minus வெளியில் எடுத்துறேன் நான். Upper limit is e power minus infinity minus e power 0. இந்த minus வெளியில் எடுத்துட்டேன். Upper limit minus lower limit, okay, plus 2 into 2 factorial is 2, 1 power anything is 1, just leave it. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 1 power anything is 1, just leave it. E power minus infinity is 0. E power minus infinity is 0. Or you can make this as 1 by e power infinity. E power infinity is infinity. 1 by infinity becomes 0. இந்த மாதிரி மாற்றி போடலாம். This is my e power minus infinity value. E power minus infinity can be written as 1 by e power infinity. E power infinity is infinity. அப்போ 1 by infinity is 0. அதனால் இது 0 ஆகிடுது. Minus this is 0. Minus but this is 1. E power 0 is 1. This is 2 2s are 4 plus 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. This minus into minus becomes plus 1. 1 plus 4 plus 24. Therefore your answer will be 29 is the final answer of this sum. Substitution method valiya poitu we are reaching that gamma integral derived format, and the derived format result use panni you can reduce the result. Okay, thank you.